Let's stay with politics. Former President Jacob Zuma's birthday message to EFF leader Julius Malema yesterday got South Africans talking. But was there more to it than a simple act of kindness? Well, News of Africa's contributing editor, Julius Malema, tries to find out.
In the game of politics, it is often said, there are no permanent enemies and no permanent friends, only permanent interests. South Africa was reminded of this saying this past weekend when a video clip emerged of former ANC President Jacob Zuma wishing former ANC Youth League President Julius Malema a happy birthday and a lot more.
Yes, my brother. Happy birthday. You are now 43. That is a very good age in the circumstances in which we are. I want to wish you happy birthday and wish you and all of us to change the country this year, whether they like it or not. We must win with 2/3 majority.
The EFF's X handle doesn't say whether its posts are endorsements, but they reposted Zuma's birthday message. And they also reposted another video of Castle Matale, a one-time staunch Malema ally, but who is still in the ANC, where he is a National Executive Committee member and in government serves as the Deputy Police Minister.
My George, happy birthday.
Thank you.
And may you grow to see many more.
People, politicians included, hardly ever send birthday wishes to enemies, let alone make personal visits. So was there more to Zuma and Matale's gestures than meets the eye? For at least one analyst, it could have been cheers to something.
Zuma is always a step ahead of his former ANC comrades. The strategy is El Supremo really. Master chess player, so he is indicating perhaps to many of us that he is buddies with Malema, buddies with the EFF, and they are forming the greatest coalition in the longest time.
Conveniently embracing one another while sipping tea isn't something new to these erstwhile opponents, whenever they have a common enemy or a common interest. For News of Africa, Channel 405, I am Vuyo Mvoko in Johannesburg.